Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to go exactly on how. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you go ahead and recreate viral videos from scratch using minimum to like 1 to 2 programs. And this is as easy as it comes, and this will gain you viewers if you have the right trending niches, right trending viral video, and you will gain subscribers. This is what this channel is about, on how to grow your YouTube channel and ultimately get it monetized and make money. That is the end result. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see here, I've just written some keywords that I think videos can become successful or you can recreate. So this one's, I just searched up the downfall of Fortnite. It came out, it popped up. That means it's like been searched. And I came across this channel, and you probably all know about him. I don't know if you have or not, but his name's SunnyV2, and he makes a lot of viral type content. So what I'm going to do and how I'm going to recreate this is I'm going to click on this video,
brother of Mr. Beast,
and I'll just give you a quick feel of what like sort of videos he makes. So he just pretty much explains
maintaining an average career monthly view count of between 1 and 4 million. However, he'd post
pretty much like videos of like downfalls of people, all that sort of stuff. But so what you're going to do with this is you're going to grab the link and you're going to go straight down to YouTube downloader. And then you're going to just paste it, and it's going to convert just like that. And then you'll get like some weird ass, notifications and stuff on these sort of websites like that. But yeah, first of all, you just want to get the link, and then bang, this is going to come up, cross, get link again, hit download, cross that off again. Wait until you get the actual link so you can download it. I'm pretty sure it's already downloaded now, you can see here, but you can't see because my webcam's in the way. So as you can see, it's downloaded and I've got the video now. And so we're not just going to just straight up copy it. Like, we are going to do some edits and like changes to it, but this is the general way of how you can like recreate a script of a video and like change it into your own sort of content. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up a program called Dscript. I've talked about this in previous videos. So what you want to do once you open this is you're going to press new and click project. And just go create project. You can name it something if you wanted to, but for this case I'm just going to show you exactly how. So once you do that, you can drag any files. So I can get the exact file from the downloads. Downloads here, and then I just drag that straight in. My computer's been a bit slow. I just drag that straight in like that. And what this is going to do, it's going to transcript the whole video, and it's going to give you basically the script that you can go ahead then and rewrite yourself, or you can pay someone to rewrite it, or you can use programs, which I will be doing today. And the program is called Writer. So as you can see now, the video is from the video I've just put in there. So you're gonna have to, like, as you can see here, it's already made a mistake. So you're gonna have to go over the whole script again or whatever, and make sure it's it matches up. But with this Dscript, you can play it. Mr. Bro, so like you can just change that straight here like this if you wanted to. You just change the correct Mr. Bro and correct it, and look, it's done.
Bro, the brother of Mr. Beast, did a pretty reasonable job.
So pretty much now the script's here. I'm just going to go ahead and go to Writer. So once you get to this website, you're going to have to either sign up. I'm going to have a link down below. It's an affiliated one, like I said before, but there is deals on there through AppSumo, and it's a lot cheaper, and you can buy lifetime deals. So I'll leave that down below. So now let's go straight to it. Once you're in, you will have this will come up. It'll say like select language, select tone, all that sort of stuff. You're going to go choose use case, use it as blog section writing, then just write topic, just write script, then just don't worry about that, just start that straight up like that. Or you have to write something, just write script. And it's just going to come up with anything. But like, to rephrase it, you're going to want to go to this here, and you're going to have to do it in I think 30 words intervals. So Control C, I'll just go here from here, Control C, and just like that, it's going to paste. And here is some of the script. So like, don't just go copy and paste and not read over it. Make sure it all makes sense. But what we're going to do now is just highlight over this, and we're going to go, see it's too many words, so you're going to have to do by, I'll just go to here. So around 300 words, and I'm just going to right click, like come here, copy over it, and just these little tab will come up, and all you do is press rephrase, and now it's been rephrased. So let's see what it says. Mr. Bro, Bravo, Mr. Beast maintained an average career monthly view count of between 1. See, and that doesn't make sense. Now let's go back to this channel. And see, it's changed up a bit, as you can see. It says, my bro, the brother of Mr. Beast, are pretty reasonable. And on here, it says, my bro, brother of Mr. Beast maintained an average career monthly view of 1 and 4 million, with a total of 29 full-length videos on his channel over 10 months before disappearing from the channel around. See, it doesn't make sense, so like, you're gonna have to go over some of the stuff, but you can also just go back like this and go highlight back over it, and you can just go rephrase again. Mr. Beast's brothers maintained a viewership of 1 to 4 million on his channel over the span of 10 months, with 29 published videos. He has not been seen since mid-December 2017. See, that's a better sort of recreation of the script, and it's like changed it completely different. So you want to do that with each little intervals, and I'm not going to do that for each single one. I'm just going to give you an example of like a sentence. So this sentence here, I'm just gonna, once like you've read the whole script and read over it and made it look all, you know, pretty and nice, add your little spice to it, all that sort of stuff, you're going to want to go to a program called Pictory, or you could edit this yourself, but that is not what I'm about. I'm about convenience, but you can do that if you like, if you're experienced. If not, go on YouTube and learn how to edit. There's so many tutorials online, and you'll be actually amazed on what you can learn from YouTube. So once you have signed into Pictory, I will also have a link in the description down below. Make sure you click that link, as it helps me out. So once this that's all done, you go to script editor and just paste your script and proceed. And just go to the landscape, and it's going to find matching matching like videos and photos to the keywords. So what you're going to do as well is, for this part, you're gonna want to add your own spice to it. So like, if it's like it's about Mr. Beast, you'd get a Google image of Mr. Beast. So, and this comes out here, you can hide that by going hide text. That did not work. It should have worked, but yeah, you can hide text, and then that should usually go, you gotta go apply to all. There we go. Sorry. So yeah, now it's gone. So another thing is too, you're gonna need a voiceover. You can either speak on it yourself, or you can use a AI voice, which I'll just use AI voice. I'll just use the ones that Pictory have installed automatically, but you can use also Dscript. They have their own. You can sign up to Wellstead Labs. They are a good one, but yeah, that's all depending on how much time you want to put into these sort of videos and how personal. Like, if do you want to make it about you, or do you just want to make a faceless channel, or all that sort of stuff. So once that's done, I'm just going to get a Mr. Beast photo and just go like this. Goes save image as Mr. Beast, save. Let's go back to Pictory, and once that's done, you will go to visuals, go my uploads, choose that, hit where you saved it. Where's Mr. Beast? Am I blind? Oh, that's right there. I didn't save the image properly. Let's see if that works. Okay. And once that's done, you click on that, and you can obviously find the right sort of sizes for the video. But now you can see that that's going to be my first scene, and I could probably do that for the next scene if I want to. My uploads. So now you would, to go over it and listen to it, you would have to go to voiceover. Oh, these are all new people. I have not seen this. There's a lot of new voice actors in here. Let's apply this one. And we'll click preview.
Mr. Beast's brother maintained a viewership of 1 to 4 million on his channel over the span of 10 months with 20...
See, as you can see, you can do that. If you don't want background music, you can audio settings, background music, turn that off.
9 published videos.
And now let's re-preview it. See, that voice doesn't sound too real,
Beast's
but
brother maintained a viewership of 1 to 4 million on his channel over the span of 10 months with 29 published videos.
see, you get this like gist though. Like you have to, you know, put your like editing skills into it and make sure everything matches up to the words. Get photos from online. Yeah, it's basic editing, basic sort of stuff like that. But if it's engaging, like the script, this guy that I just showed you, or what I've showed you before, his views are getting a lot of, his channel is getting a lot of views. So the scripts are very engaging. If you recreate them, they're going to do the same for you. Just add your own twist. Don't just blatantly copy and paste. Make sure you add your own spice. Like, this is the game of YouTube. You don't, a lot of people are making the same sort of videos. It's not completely copying them, but it's just adapting to what's working. That's all how I see it. So yeah, once that's done, I'm gonna apply that one. It sounds the best in my opinion. But yeah, you can find background music. You can do it. You can find that sort of background music on Google and use like non-copyright sounds and make it match the sort of theme. So like if it's a downfall, you want a bit of like a nice sort of beat that matches the vibe of the video. And yeah, so this part here, if I go back here and uncheck that, he has not been seen since. So right here, you can get back to visuals and go library, and you could like go, you could find like, you could write missing. So see, like you could add like that, but like it's not him. Like that. See, it says missing, and it's just like matches the vibe of the video. So let's go preview.
He has not been seen since mid-December 2017.
So as you can see, a real voice sounds a lot better, and obviously better editing from like, you can pay someone to edit, or you can learn how to edit yourself, would be a lot more engaging. But the script itself is going to be engaging if you follow the steps I just did, and yeah, you will get viewers and gain subscribers if you make these sort of videos. Like I've said it before in my other videos, you want to just make content that's easy as, and then end up getting monetized, putting a bit. Then you start putting like full effort into it. Like you start paying people to edit, pay for voiceover actors. That is the end result. But like, this is for someone with like $0 budget, or like a couple $100 a month. This is the way to do it. So once that's done, you just click generate. The video will be done, and then you got to make a thumbnail. I have a tutorials on how to make thumbnails. I'll link that in the description. And yeah, so for now, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you